Transform your Minecraft battles from basic to breathtaking with the Epic Fight mod. This incredible mod completely overhauls combat, introducing fluid animations, powerful new weapons, and unique fighting skills that will have you strategizing and dominating like never before. Ready to unleash your inner warrior? Let's get this installed. First, you'll need to ensure you have Minecraft Forge installed. Forge is a modding API that allows other mods to run. If you don't have it, head to the official Minecraft Forge website, download the recommended installer for your Minecraft version and run the installer. Then select Install Client and click OK. Next mission, acquire the Epic Fight mod itself. Go to the Epic Fight mod page on CurseForge, making sure to download the version compatible with your Minecraft version and Forge. Now, let's get it into your game. Locate your Minecraft installation folder. You can usually find this by opening the Minecraft launcher, clicking Installations, hovering over your Forge profile, and clicking the folder icon. Inside your Minecraft folder, you'll find a folder named Mods. If it's not there, simply create it now. Drag and drop the downloaded Epic Fight mod file directly into this mods folder. Finally, launch your Minecraft game using your Forge profile. Once the game has loaded, the Epic Fight mod should be active and ready to go. You've done it. Jump into a world and experiment with your new combat abilities. You'll notice a world of difference in every swing and parry, making your Minecraft adventures far more epic. Enjoy the enhanced battles and may your fights be ever so glorious.